viewers, I welcome you once again, and today we want to learn something about how to apply color application. And since I've already informed you about how to get started, so we're not going to go back again. I'm just going straight. So let's set our page. I think I've already given you information about this place, so I'm just clicking on OK. So a new page has opened, and I can change the orientation. I want to change the orientation here. The shortcut is here as landscape. For the meantime, this one is in portrait form. I want it to be in landscape. Good. Let me zoom the page. Now let's go to how to apply colors. So what object are you going to apply the color on? Okay, let me draw something like a rectangle. I'll draw a rectangle. I'll click on pick 2. Now let's try and apply colors on this rectangular too. Sorry, rectangular shape. And when you come here, there are some colors that are already set, and that one is called default palette. Look, default palette. As you can see the name here, default colors. If you click on this arrow to open. Okay, now if you want to apply color, you just click on here. It's very simple. You just click on any color that you want. So let's say if I want black, you see, any color that you want. Use ash, you see, it's green, you see, it's yellow, any color, orange. So if the colors here is finished, you click here. Like I told you, it will open. Then you choose any color that you want. Storm blue, you see, it's plum. And one good thing about Coreldraw is if you put the cursor on the color, the name will appear on the default palette. On the default palette, if you put the cursor on, the name will appear. Like this one, neon red, you see, tropical pink, you see, crimson. Yes. So this is how to apply the default palette colors to a shape that you have drawn. Good. Well, let's go further. So this one, as you can see, is a flat color, solid color. That is one color here. So let's go further and see how we can mix other colors. So let's say if I want to clear the color that I've filled inside this, if I want to clear, I go back to this place, default color, I click on this arrow, then I click here. See, you click on this times, meaning no fill. Now let's go back to how to apply one or two colors, because this one that we applied to a single colors. Now let's go here, object property. You go to object property. Good. So as the name suggests, this place contains the property of the shape that I've drew. Okay, good. Here you see the outline, and right now we are not talking about outline, we are talking about the colors. So we come here, that is fill. What are we filling? Let's click on and see. The first one is no fill, and the next one is uniform fill. So for the uniform fill, it's also a single color. Maybe this colors was not on the default palette. You can come here and choose. If you drag this one up and down, you see the colors will change. Then you push this square and put it where you want that color. You see, if I want it down here, you see, you see, Good. Good. So first of all, this is a uniform color. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one is fountain fill. Fountain fill. Let's go there and see. So for the fountain fill, you see, this is how it is. That one will give you two colors. One is here and one is here. So if I click here and I want to change the color, let's say this color, if I want to change it, if you click here, you see that color will appear here. If I click here, it will appear here. So let's say I want to change this color. I come here, like I told you, you move this one to wherever you like. I like this place. Go down a bit. I like here. That's my first color here. Then the next one here, I come here and change that one also. Go here. You see? So right now I've gotten two colors. Good. And you can move this point. You see? And see how the color is going. See? You see? Good. Move this one to measure the quantity of color that you want. Push it to this place. I prefer putting it in the center. Good. So this one, like I told you, is a uniform fill. But when you come down here, this one that I fill, it started from left to right. It's called the linear fountain fill. Linear. It's linear. Good. Let's go to the next one. It's elliptical fountain fill. Let's click on and see. You see, the fill will look like something ellipse. See, it's in an ellipse form. You see, that is why it's called elliptical fountain fill. It's in ellipse form. You see, something like oval inside. I think I have to change the color so that will appear well for you to see. Good. You see, let me change this one also. Find something like a light color. Good, so that you see it well. Good. So this is a elliptical fountain fill. You see the shape of the fill color is like ellipse. Good. So for this one too, you can control this one. You see, like I told you, you can control it. Good. Now let's go to the next one. Is conical fountain fill. So let's click on that one also and see. You see, it looks like conic. It's like cone. Look. You see? Wow. You see, it's like cone. Good. Let's go to the next one. Is rectangular fountain fill. Let's check that one also and see. You see, the fill looks like rectangle. Let's click outside and see. You see, let's control here and see how it will look like. Yeah, you see the shapes look like a rectangle. Good. And now if you come down here, that's the default fountain fill. Then you come here, it's repeat mirror. Let's see, because the color is the same, you cannot see. And let me come here and show you something. Let me come to the linear fountain fill. Good. You change the colors. Want something that will. Good. You see the color here, and you see this one here. Let's say I'll fill this one and I want this color to come here, and I want this one also to come this on the right hand side. Good. You come here, reverse fill. Look at the shape very carefully. You see, the one on the right side has come to the left side, and the left side has gone to the right side. You click on it again, You see? You see? Good. So we are on the fountain fill, right? You come to vector pattern fill. Vector pattern fill. So let me clear off the color. Come to the vector pattern fill, and before you fill, note you have to select the object that you want to fill in that color. Good. So it's highlighted. Come here, you see this vector pattern fill. If you come here, there are many colors that you can choose. That one is already made. Oh shit, it's giving me a problem. It's giving me a problem. There's other colors you can choose and it will fill here. I don't know why, but then let's go to the next one. You see, bitmap pattern. That's bitmap pattern fill. You see that one too. If you come here, the other colors, let me try and see if it will come. I don't know why it's not coming, but if you check it on your computer, it will come. Then let's go here. You see, this one is 2 color pattern fill. So you can see the background and the black spots in it. You can change it. So you can see the black color here. Let me change it and see. You see? Let me change it. You see? And let me change this one. Wow. See? So for the meantime, this is how to fill colors, and there are other more places where we can fill colors also. Well, let me come here and let me show you something quickly. Good. You see, this one is fountain fill. Good. And there are 2 colors, right? Let's come here. Let's come to interactive fill tool. I've already introduced all these tools to you. Let's go there and see and click on interactive fill. Good. You see all the colors I was applying. You see it has come here. That is why I introduced this place to you. Like it's the property toolbar. If you remember in the first video, I can move this one to this place and look at how it will look like. You see? Then I drag this one here. You see? Now you see that color, the one on the right, some has come to this place, so it's in a linear form, but you can touch here, drag it to this place. You see? Drag it. You see? Drag it. You see? And you can also touch here and also rotate it. You see? And the whole color will also rotate. You see? You see? Good. And you can set the transparency. Good. You see it's fading. That's the transparency. You can take it off. Good. Now that's the interactive fill tool. Then that same place you have mesh fill. Let's click there and see. Look, that mesh tool, if you click on it, then you click here, you double click. Okay, once I've double click, you see it will divide the whole object. You see 1 2 3. Then if I click here, and I click on any color, that color will also fill that place. Look, you see, if I click here, then we choose different color. Okay, you see. So if I want to also, I can double click here to also divide it. like here, you see. Then I click here, I choose this color. The more you double click, the more division it becomes, you see. Then I click here, I add white, I double click here, then I click here, let me add red, I double click here. The more you double click, the more division it becomes. Good. I click here, I add a different color, you see. So now when you finish, you click on the pick tool and see how the whole field will look like. Wow. You click outside, now you see, you can zoom it and see the work that you have done. Wow, it's very wonderful. And you can use this background for your design work. Well, viewers, I hope you like the video, you love it. So I urge you to subscribe, like, comment and share, and press the notification bell. Select all so that all the video that will upload, you'll receive alert. Thank you, and wait for the next video.